Welcome back to Mashup Travels. Here is the next video, guys. Granada is the last city where the Muslim Empire existed before the exile of the Nasrid king. Come along with us to see the city and the magnificent Alhambra Palace. Hope you like this video and please do not forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Welcome to Alhambra Palace and the Generalife Gardens. C32 आ गई है और ओइला पहले से ही भरी हुई आ रही है। तो आफ्टर हमारा जगह नहीं मिली बैठने के लिए, सो वील बी स्टैंडिंग। I'll see you in a bit, guys. जी हमारा स्टॉप आ गया है, बल्कि लगता है ये आखिरी स्टॉप भी है। Let's see. There they are.
Well done this way, guys.
Alhambra Palace cover a vast amount of space. Located in different areas of grounds, they are not in one specific area. The most well-known garden is Generalife. These gardens have altered over the centuries and have influences from different periods of time. Islamic garden design focuses on tranquility and contemplation. There are always elements of water and shade. Aromatic plants are an important feature too. The name of Generalife comes from the Arabic Jinal, garden of illustrious one. The Islamic garden has altered since the 13th century, although the main part of original layout is still clear to see today. The main focus is water feature in this garden and sensation of peace as you hear the movement of water. The pomegranate trees and large bougainvillea are the most important plants to note in this section of the garden. The Alhambra means the red one because of the color of the red clay of the surroundings of which the fort is made. It was originally constructed as a small fortress in AD 889 on the remains of Roman fortifications, and then largely ignored until its ruins were renovated and rebuilt in the mid-13th century by the Nasrid Emir Muhammad bin Al-Ahmar of Emirate of Granada, who built its current palace and walls. It was converted into a royal palace in 1333 by Yusuf I, Sultan of Granada. It is now one of Spain's major tourist attractions, exhibiting the country's most significant, well-known Islamic architecture, together with 16th century and later Christian building and gardens. The Alhambra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and inspiration of many songs and stories.
25 gigs to free up on my oh. Just stepped on
I did not even see that.
You broke it.
I did not see that. And the funny thing is, just went on top of the fountain rather than in the water.
Broke it. See the rainbow? Taste the rainbow.
It's not an ice cream. ये भी महल के हिस्से हैं नीचे और यहाँ भी oh that's a new arch we are going through. Look at the whole city. Oh, that's where we come in from, and that's the bus stop there.
It's really nice and breezy and cold.
इन दरख्तों के बीच में पूरा बस स्टॉप जहाँ से मैंने बस स्टॉप
That's the mosque. That white one's the mosque.
That white one looks more
Oh no, the middle one. And you take some really
या तो ये मॉस्क है या ये मॉस्क है या ये मॉस्क है
I think it's the middle one.
और हमें नहीं मालूम कौन सी है। Thank you very much for watching our video, guys, and the next video is going to be the last video of this series. And do not worry, we have another series, very exciting series actually coming along after that, and you will definitely enjoy that. Please do not forget to subscribe so you do not miss any of our videos and you will be the first ones to be notified. Thank you very much. Bye.